Before you send your students off to school with their smartphones, law enforcement agencies across the nation asking parents to take a closer look at the apps on their phones and how your child might be using them. Investigative reporter Patrick Nelson spoke with a local undercover investigator about why sexting continues to be a major concern. Patrick.
Elizabeth, chances are most of our viewers have a child that spent a good amount of time today on their cell phone, but do we really know how they're using it? Investigators say in their experience, online predators sometimes know more than we do, and using smartphone apps, they target our students when nobody is looking. Colorado Springs Police Sergeant Jason Ledbetter, who works undercover to investigate sexting cases, says the dangers have become a daily reality for students across the city.
It's happening right here in Colorado Springs. It's happening in every high school, every junior high, possibly some elementary schools. Some elementary schools for sure.
Law enforcement agencies across the country identified 15 smartphone apps they believe parents should know about. So what can parents do right away? You should be aware of apps like Calculator and Vault that cover up other functions. Ultimately, parents should open up every single app on the phone to learn what they do. And make sure any connections or friends your child has are people you know and approve of.
Has a higher likelihood of happening than a stranger danger incident. Obviously, we still need to make sure our kids know about interactions with strangers, but it seems because it's online, those rules are a little more relaxed.
But investigators say it's parents who must be the first line of defense because a lack of supervision could allow your student to meet up with a predator.
That's the scariest part, because you could have an actual physical hands-on offense at that point that could result in some kind of sexual assault to kidnapping to a life in human trafficking.
Investigators encourage parents not to wait in having this conversation with your kids, even if they are in elementary school. I posted the full list of smartphone apps identified by law enforcement and a brief description of what they do on our website, KOAA.com. Always watching out for you, Patrick Nelson, News 5.